Big things really do come in small packages. These mini Amazon gadgets that everyone's buying are compact, clever, and surprisingly useful for making everyday tasks easier. Once you see what they can do, you'll understand why they're so popular. All the products are linked in the description below. You've been holding the dumb end of a tape measure your whole life, and that ends now. This keychain laser measurer is barely bigger than a lighter, yet it measures distances up to 100 feet with pinpoint accuracy. Point it at a wall, press once, and the backlit screen instantly shows you the number. No app, no Bluetooth, no second person required. It calculates area and volume automatically, so you always know exactly how much flooring, paint, or material to buy. The solid aluminum body survives life on your keychain, and a single charge gives you 5,000 measurements. Works in inches, feet, or meters, your call. Whether you're a contractor, a realtor, or just someone who finally wants to hang things straight, this tiny tool punches way above its weight. Ever dropped a screw into the void behind your engine and watched it disappear forever? Problem solved. This telescoping magnetic flashlight extends from 7 to 22 inches and snaps onto metal parts instantly. Bolts, washers, nuts, anything. 3 bright LEDs light up exactly where you're looking, and the 360-degree flexible neck bends to any angle so you can see into tight spaces no human hand can reach. The magnetic base keeps it hands-free while you work. Built from rugged aluminum alloy, it handles drops, weather, and whatever the garage throws at it. Pocket clip included, batteries included, excuses included no longer. Whether you're under a car, fixing appliances, or camping in the dark, this thing does the job of 3 tools at once. It's the gadget that makes you wonder how you ever managed without it. Wind laughs at ordinary lighters. These two don't care. This pack gives you 1 electric arc lighter and 1 butane torch, 2 totally different fire-starting tools for 2 totally different situations. The electric one is flameless, rechargeable via USB, and sparks reliably up to 300 uses per charge, rain, wind, nothing stops it. The butane torch throws a jet flame reaching 2,800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to tackle thick wood and stubborn kindling. Both are waterproof, lockable, and come with lanyards to clip onto your pack. Neither one will let you down when conditions get rough. One for everyday carry, one for when you mean business. At this price for 2, there's no reason your fire kit should ever be a single point of failure again. A dull knife, no fire, and no way to signal for help. That's how bad days turn into disasters. This 6-in-1 survival tool makes sure none of that happens. It sharpens straight and serrated blades using 3 stages: coarse carbide to rebuild a damaged edge, fine ceramic to polish it razor sharp, and a diamond rod for serrations and fish hooks. Then it keeps going. A ferro rod throws hot sparks to start a fire in any condition, and a built-in emergency whistle carries far enough to be heard when it counts. The whole thing fits in your palm and clips onto any keychain or pack. It's the kind of tool you toss in your bag and forget about, until suddenly it's the most important thing you own. That overgrown branch has been mocking you for months. Time to settle the score. This cordless mini chainsaw fits in one hand and cuts through branches up to 5 inches thick like they're nothing. At just 3.8 pounds, you can hold it overhead without your arm giving out, and the trigger start means 0 fussing before you get to work. The 6-inch chain runs off a 20-volt battery that's included. No extra purchases, no surprises. It's quiet enough not to disturb the neighbors and precise enough for clean cuts every time. Shrubs, woody stems, dead limbs, all handled in minutes instead of an afternoon. Compact enough to store in a drawer, powerful enough to mean business. Your yard has been patient. Now so can that branch. Tiny screws have no business being this annoying. and now they won't be. This 25-in-1 precision screwdriver kit packs 24 magnetic bits into a case smaller than your palm. Phillips, Torx, hex, flat, star, whatever oddball screw is standing between you and a fixed gadget, one of these bits handles it. The magnetic tips grip screws so they don't vanish into the carpet, and the rotating cap lets you spin fast without repositioning your hand. Laptops, watches, glasses, gaming controllers, smart home devices, all fair game. Every bit is hardened steel that resists rust and wear. The compact case snaps shut and slips into a pocket or drawer without taking up any real estate. A full-size shaver is the last thing you want fighting for space in your bag. This one is barely bigger than a matchbox, but it shaves like it means it. 3 floating blades flex to follow the curves of your face, catching stubble close without pulling or irritating skin. It runs for 90 minutes on a single charge, tops back up in 2 hours via USB-C, and an LED display tells you exactly how much battery you have left. Fully waterproof, so you can shave in the shower, then rinse the whole thing under the tap to clean it in seconds. The magnetic cap keeps the blades protected in your bag between uses. Most flashlights do one thing, this one does 13. Blast 1,000 lumens up to 210 meters when you need a searchlight, or dial it down to a soft, warm glow for reading in a tent. Rotate the head to switch between a focused beam, a wide side light for hands-free work, colorful ambient modes, and emergency SOS or strobe. The built-in magnet sticks it to any metal surface, the hook stretches to hang it anywhere, and the silicone strap wraps around a branch or handlebar. A single charge lasts up to 65 hours on low, meaning you can forget to recharge it for weeks, and it'll still show up for you. Waterproof, aluminum-bodied, and USB-C rechargeable. Bad club selection isn't bad luck, it's bad information. This golf rangefinder gives you every number you need before you ever swing. Point it at the flag and it locks on in 0.1 seconds, vibrates to confirm, and reads accurate to within half a yard from up to 600 yards out. A large full-color touchscreen shows GPS yardages to the front, center, and back of the green simultaneously. Tap any 2 points on the course map to get the exact carry distance over water, bunkers, or anything else in your way. Slope compensation does the math on elevation changes, so you pick the right club every time. Over 43,000 courses are preloaded with free lifetime updates. No subscription, no app, no phone needed. Some watches tell time. This one tells everyone in the room something about you. The oversized face is bold and industrial, packed with 4 dials, 2 showing different time zones, 1 thermometer, and a compass dial that looks like it belongs in a cockpit. It's the kind of watch people ask about. Japanese quartz movement keeps the time accurate. The stainless steel case is built tough, and the leather band wears comfortably all day. Water resistant enough to handle everyday life without babying it. Never mix up your Monday pills with your Friday ones again. This 7-day pill organizer keeps your daily vitamins and medications sorted, secure, and ready to grab on the way out the door. It's slim enough to slip into a purse, pocket, or carry-on without taking up any real space. Color-coded labels help you find the right compartment at a glance. No squinting required. Simple, tidy, and honestly one of those things everyone needs, but nobody thinks to get. One outlet shouldn't decide which device you charge. This universal travel adapter lets you plug in almost anywhere in the world without the guesswork. It features multiple ports, so you can power your phone, tablet, and more all at once. With fast charging support, your devices get powered up quickly instead of waiting around. Built-in safety protection keeps everything secure while you stay connected wherever you go. Lost keys are officially a thing of the past. This sleek fingerprint padlock opens with just a touch of your thumb. No keys, no combinations, no fumbling around. It's built from tough alloy steel, but slim enough to clip onto a gym locker, backpack, or suitcase without adding bulk. The battery charges via USB and gives you a red light warning before it ever dies on you. Up to 10 fingerprints can be stored, so trusted people can always get in too. Your phone is the worst timer you own? Too many distractions, one swipe away. This smart focus cube starts a timer the moment you flip it to any side, with 6 preset intervals from 3 to 30 minutes built right in. It's designed around the Pomodoro method: work in focus bursts, rest, repeat, and it genuinely helps you get more done. Sound, vibration, or silent flash alerts mean it works in a library just as well as a kitchen. No app, no notifications, no rabbit holes, just flip and focus. Your laptop setup just got a serious upgrade. This triple screen extender turns your single display into a full multi-screen workstation. Just plug it in and you instantly get extra space for work, gaming, or multitasking without constantly switching tabs. Each screen shows sharp 1080p visuals, so everything stays clear and easy to read. It's lightweight, foldable, and travel-ready, giving you a full desktop-style setup wherever you open your laptop. What if you could carry a full barbecue in something smaller than a notebook? This portable charcoal grill makes that possible by folding down into a super compact size you can slip into your bag or car trunk. When you open it up, it instantly transforms into a stable cooking station for 1 to 3 people, perfect for quick outdoor meals. You get a solid heat-resistant steel build that handles real charcoal cooking while staying durable, trip after trip. It even gives you a little side space for sauces and easy cleanup, so you can focus more on grilling and less on the mess. When your dishes, cups, and kitchen tools start piling up, this compact cabinet gives everything a proper home. It has 4 layers of organized storage, including drying trays that keep the inside clean and odor-free. The magnetic flip doors open smoothly, and the semi-transparent panels let you peek in without exposing the mess. With built-in racks, hooks, and a sliding drawer for smaller items, it turns crowded countertops into a tidy, functional space. Sometimes the simplest fix makes the biggest difference. This rotating hook system gives you 6 sturdy claws that spin a full circle, so you can grab what you need without twisting your arm. It also flips upward, letting you use the space under cabinets or shelves that normally goes to waste. You just stick it on and start hanging your kitchen tools, towels, or office bits. It keeps your space tidy without taking up any of it. Here's a smart way to deal with wet dishes without cluttering your counter. This collapsible drying rack pops open when you need it and folds flat when you don't, giving you instant space whenever things get crowded. It has a spot for plates, cups, and even a separate area for utensils, so everything dries neatly. The swivel drain lets water flow straight into the sink. Light, portable, and easy to stash anywhere. You'll wonder how you lived without it. Big bottles taking over your counter? This magnetic holder snaps right onto your fridge and gives them a proper parking spot. The steel frame is strong enough to handle heavy tumblers, and it even has a place for multiple lids so nothing goes missing. You can stick it on instantly or screw it in for extra security. It saves cabinet space, keeps your cups together, and makes your kitchen look a whole lot more organized. If your spice cabinet feels like a treasure hunt, this organizer fixes that in seconds. Each drawer slides out and gently tilts down, bringing every bottle right to your eyes so you don't dig around blindly. Adjustable dividers let you fit all kinds of shapes and sizes without rearranging anything. And with included labels, you can spot what you need instantly. Just load it up and enjoy a spice cabinet that finally makes sense. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.